Sitting atop Old Man Rock, my mind slips back to a time when we were a proud clan of diggers who walked the ridges and tended the mountain's garden. A rare partnership, the elders of old ensured that the plants flourished, and in turn the forest provided for their needs. This is a heritage entrusted to me, yet it's slipping away. Land use changes, expansions, logging. Our native plants are being lost by the acres, and so is my way of life. Hi there, I'm Lori, one of the last diggers in my clan. With each passing season, I see a shifting taking place. Once thriving plant communities are struggling for survival. I fear that my grandson will never see bloodroot flowers smiling in the sun, or walk the forest with black cohosh scepters guarding his path. An urgency to save these plants and my way of life consumed me, and I began this journey, a path that honors the plants and reclaims the proud heritage of a mountain digger. Today, you'll find me rescuing plants from the path of destruction, rehoming them at sanctuaries, and working to create a forest farm while restoring family land, giving myself and the plants a new purpose while creating a special space to sustainably work the forest floor as we have for generations. An oasis, a place where people can come to connect with the plants, to experience the energetics, to feel what makes the Appalachians so special. Mountain Rose Herb grants for plants will provide key stepping stones for this journey. The first will be simple tools to assist my rescue efforts. As work ramps up, the grant will fund expansion of holding beds to house these plant refugees until they can be rehomed or planted in. Like the plants on this mountain, I need community to see this dream through. This grant will provide a key stepping stone, creating a space, a place for volunteers, interns, woofers, anyone who wants to learn about the plants while they help rescue. The fourth step will support sustainability in my work through mindful harvest and use. Continuing to collaborate with herbalists, I desire to farm ginseng leaf as an alternative to the root and other woodlands for partial root harvest. I hope that offering these plants for sale can offset some of the unethical harvesting. But more importantly, I want this space to be a prototype for other diggers, encouraging them to find a path that looks to the future. Thank you, Mountain Rose Herb. The plants need us all.